Hello, I'm Jvei de Koki. Today's featured episode is Lady Bird. The movie is the first solo directorial job of the writer-actress Greta Gerwig. An actress directing the film is a plus for the production because the director can expressively communicate effectively with the cast in their acting language. The first time I saw Saoirse Ronan is in the movie The Atonement in 2007. She played the young Bryony Tallis, barely a teenager yet, but she could be categorized as a veteran actress with her remarkable performance and shows that she has a promising future in Hollywood for a long successful career. Not only she is a talented young actress, but she has also good physical genes. Acting is in her blood as she is the daughter of Paul Ronan, an actor. Her fine acting since then has outdone her previous movie as it becomes more polished as her movie career progresses. Now, she's playing the main character, Christine Lady Bird McPherson, currently in theater. Saoirse's acting is raw and organic, and as I watch her, as if she's portraying her own story, and the scenes looks like the actual recordings of her life. Saoirse plays exceptionally a troubled teenager, having issues at school and at home. Typical characteristics of a young woman who does not want to be told what to do that does not conform to her likings, and she has a sour relationship with her mother. I see an Oscar or Golden Globe with a role in this movie. Lady Bird mom is played by Laurie Metcalf, a strong-minded mother who dearly loves her daughter but she doesn't know how to show it. Laurie made it so convincing, the role that she portrayed, as she is also exceptionally good. It's great to see Laurie in the big screen other than the small screen and stage plays. The resemblance of the story is so similar to Greta Gerwig's background. She's from Sacramento. Her mother's name is Christine and is a nurse. She also went to college in New York. The movie seems to be a replica of her background, which is an excellent story to tell. I like it that one of the main principal photography locations is in Sacramento, California, where the story was based on, for the reason being that there's more work opportunities for Californians. I love the movie. The story is so good. It's very relatable. And the fact that the actors are outstanding. With this is Jvei de Koki saying, Arrivederci, paalam, adios, ciao, aloha, sayonara, au revoir, so long, and my screen is closing. Thanks for watching. See you on my next episode.